Hey there, stackers of the world, it's Mr. Stacker, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how I stack my constitutional silver. And maybe you guys can copy my strategies and, have a little goal in mind to getting stacks of silver. So let's get started. Now, just as an FYI, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a dude on YouTube having some fun sharing with you guys what I do. So this is just for entertainment purposes. But hey, let me share with you my strategy so you guys can maybe learn something today. Who knows? So I love to create goals, right? So if I'm going to start stacking a certain type of silver, I want to then look at a goal that I can put in place. So what I did is I went to Amazon and I went and searched for tubes, right? These little tubes here for all the different denominations of constitutional silver. And these are one of the fun and easiest ways to stack them. I mean, super simple to store and very easy to organize. And so I pick a little dot when it's just a normal dime structure or any type of regular thing where there's nothing fancy about it. It's just a bunch of, coins in here that are going to fit that 90%, right? And then I kind of categorize some of the special ones. I've noticed people are paying premiums when you've got like BUs of, and that's brilliant uncirculated, of these constitutional silvers. So let me show you some other ways that I organize. I'll just put AU, BU on this, and then, I'll keep those in there. I got a couple of them that I've noticed are really clean that are getting into my stack on average. So I take those out, I separate them, and then I'm trying to fill these with those. Ah, man, I hate when that happens. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Probably not a good idea, right? But hey, it works. All right, and then the other ways are to separate the styles, right? So this is the Mercury dime. And so I separate all the Mercury dimes that I get from the Franklins. So, there's different values that people put on these things when you do decide to go to sell. So for me, that's what I do. I just kind of separate them. These are the regular Franklins. Are they Franklins or maybe there's something else? Somebody called them Jeffersons, I think. I'm like, wait a second, I don't think so. Those are Franklins, aren't they? I don't know. But that's what I do. Let me focus that in there. There you go. So I'll just take these normal ones and I'll just put them in those and stack those up. And then my goal is to fill the whole stack that I got from Amazon, right? And just anytime I can get some more. And then I did this for all the denominations. So now I've got them for quarters. I've got them for dimes. I haven't picked them up for $50. I got to get those at $50. I did pick up the Buffalo nickel versions because I'm getting a bunch of Buffaloes that are coming in. And I've got to make sure that I've got these cases for them. So, I got a couple of these, I guess, because I bought them in that sense and they sent them that way for $50. But there's another way to stack these. And they're so easy to organize. So when you want to put them away, you want to put them in your safes and all that kind of stuff, very easy to keep them organized. So I really love that aspect of it. And that is one of my favorite ways to stack my constitutional silver. I just put little labels on them to easily identify which ones are which and then put goals, right? Have goals where you can say, hey, I want to stack all of these and I want to fill them all. And then you'll know, hey, I've got this much in there. And there's your little savings account of fractional silver. That's one of my favorite things about this is that you can get constitutional silver, fractional silver, just a little over 2 grams in this, and you can't even buy a 1 gram just, minted as a generic round or bar for a 1 grammer for like less than $5. But yet I can pick these up over 2 grams. Let me show you. Over 2 grams right there of silver. And I can pick these up for, I used to be able to get these for like $1 to less than $2, but now they're just over $2 each. I mean, you can't buy fractional silver at anywhere else better than that. And it's one of the safest silvers to buy anywhere you're buying, right? How many times have you come across fake constitutional silver? Very rarely, right? So that's my spiel. That's what I think. What are you guys' thoughts on constantly. Do you guys kind of store it differently? Do you guys store it the same way? Is this a good way, do you think? What are your thoughts? I would love to know. Put them in the comments below. And let's have that conversation. For now, Mr. Stacker out.